Hi friends, thank you for coming back. It's Elaine Marie, and hello to all the newcomers. Well, I thought we would do a little painting that's going to look like that. Look at those clouds and look at that sun. Alrighty, here we go. I'm going to go get my, flat brush. And we only need 3 colors, light blue, white, and dark blue. So, we're going to do a little dark blue up here. Tap that in with some white. And before you start, you can always come in with a water that will just, all you have to do is give it a light mist. Okay. I hope everyone is doing wonderful out there. Okay, we're going to mix some of that white with the blue. Alright. Yes, that looks very lovely. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful time. I'm going to dab the same brush off. I'm going to come in with the lighter blue right here. Oh yes, that looks very lovely. Okay. And we're going to dab a little white. Oh, there we go. Looks so beautiful already. See? We have like 3 different colors coming in like that. Alright, we're going to take some white with the light blue. We're going to come down on the bottom. Oh, it's going to look so gorgeous. So excited about the clouds. Now we're just going to dab some of that blue like this, right? And we're going to come in very lightly. And this way, you will see it, but it won't be that thick going across. And I dab some white up top. Okay, we're going to blend that and run that across like this. Alright. A little bit more blue in here. There you go. We'll dab some white, run it through. It's blending very nice. Whoops, whoops, there you go. There you go. I love it. You can see the darker here and the darker up here. I think I'm going to make this just a little darker going through. Run your brush across very lightly. Oh, I like that. I like it. A little dab of white, maybe down here. And friends, as we go along, and if you want to see more white on your water or darker blue, please go ahead. Go ahead and do that. Okay. And what I'm going to do, see how the sun is very bright? I'm going to put, now I'm going to dab my brush off. I'm going to lightly get this area a bit more white running through. Okay. I'm loving that. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to take our angular brush. Okay. Put that in some water. We're going to come in with some of the darker blue. Probably right about, let me see, right about here. Your horizon line, right there. Oh, I love it. And I love it when it's broke up like that with the darker blue and the lighter color in here. And now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to come in with a small, flat. Okay. Now let's get some white. Dab that. Now, what we're going to do, let me see, I'm going to work on the sun first. First we're going to come in like this. All right, you're just going to make a round circle like this. Okay, you're gonna dab that. There you go. Just gonna make a round circle. Now what you're going to do, friends, take the same brush, please, and wipe it off. Use the same brush. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna come in and you're gonna start dabbing around the edges of what we did with the sun. Okay, and you're going to come out a little bit further over here like this. Now you're going to take another scoop of white, like this. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, and then we're going to come in with a whisk brush. And then what we're going to do, we're going to dab. And we're blending that right in. Okay, and we're going to give it some movement straight up. Okay. We're trying to make the whiteness. Okay. We're going to dab. We're going to go around. We're going to pull that. Oh, there you go. We're going to start to pulling the white from the middle. You can see how it's coming nice and bright, like it will look like that. I'm going to dab the middle with some white like this. And as it dries, we're going to do it a few times, friends. You're going to come in, okay, and then you're going to pull that out. Pull it out. There you go. Now when that dries in the middle, we're just going to make it round and then we'll tap off the edges. Now please come back to step number 2. We're going to finish the sun and we're going to have beautiful, beautiful clouds. And that'll be fun. I can't wait. Please come back to step number 2. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye.